Hi traders, if you're looking to change your profile password, you can do that right from the XM app in only a couple of steps. First, log into your XM account with your email and password. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the top right-hand side of the screen. Next, Settings. Then Security. Then change profile password. You're prompted for your current profile password and your new profile password. Select Change Password. You'll receive an email to confirm that you've made a change to your profile password. And that's it. You can now use your new password to log into your XM profile. Feel free to check out more tutorials if you ever need help navigating the XM app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.